Now children, let us learn about natural gas. Natural gas is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas occurs deep under the crust of earth, either alone or along with oil above the petroleum deposits. Thus, some oil wells dug into the earth produce only natural gas, whereas others produce natural gas as well as petroleum oil. Natural gas is called clean fuel because it burns without producing any smoke and does not cause air pollution. Natural gas is good fuel because it burns easily and produces a lot of heat. Along with this, natural gas is complete fuel in itself. It can be used directly for heating purposes in homes and industries. There is no need to add anything else to it. And a great advantage of natural gas is that it can be supplied to homes and factories through a network of underground pipes, and this eliminates the need of additional storage and transport. In India, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in Krishna Godavari Delta. Children, petrol and diesel are two main fuels which are used for driving vehicles. We should make every effort to avoid the wastage of these precious fuels. In India, Petroleum Conservation Research Association, that is PCRA, advises people on how to save petrol or diesel while driving vehicles, and the various tips for minimizing the wastage of petroleum and diesel while driving vehicles are as follows. Likewise, we should drive the vehicle at constant and moderate speed as far as possible. We should switch off the vehicle's engines at traffic lights or at the places where a person has to wait. And along with this, we should ensure correct tire pressure of the vehicle. Low tire pressure consumes more fuel. And apart from all these things, we should ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle.